Magandang hapon po ng September 7, 2023 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, September 7, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng September 7, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for September 7, 2023, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 37 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 34 million pesos for Thursday, September 7, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for September 7, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.